I don't know. Happy to be here, though. I really am. Yeah, happy to be here. In Chicago. I was worried when I booked this, right? January, I was like, man, there better not be a blizzard. I was worried about blizzard, right? And like 2022, I'm like, there might be a tornado. There might be a tidal wave come off Lake Michigan, wipe all of us off the planet. I was worried about that. I was not worried about a Bears playoff game. I was not worried about a playoff game this year. It was like blizzard, earthquake, tidal wave, playoff game. Probably not gonna happen.